In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create bundles in bulk using SellerChamp, bundles or kits. So first, let's talk about what a bundle is, what a kit is. So a bundle is whenever you're selling a product in a pack. So let's say you've got something like a vitamin, right? And instead of selling it as single, you're selling it as a single, a single can, but you're also selling it as a pack of 4, for example. So that's a bundle. A kit, on the other hand, is when you're taking 2 different items and combining them together to make a single offering. So a good example could be, you're taking a shoe and bundling it up with and kitting it up with a sock and selling that as a single offering. Get the shoe and the sock together. Another could be a shirt and a tie. You're combining them together, selling that as a single offering. So that's a kit. So in my previous video, I did talk about how to create bundles and kits from inside a batch, right? Using SellerChamp. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can do that using the product page and using the bulk upload method. So the way you do that is you click on more actions and you click on upload bundles. And this will actually give you some instructions on how this actually works, but that's what I'm going to walk you through in this video. So first thing you want to do is download the templates file. So click that link, download that file. Let's look at that file now and I'll walk you through how this works. Open. So just open up that file in your favorite text Excel CSV program. I happen to use LibreOffice. You can use anything you want, really. And these are the different options. It has your parent SKU, child SKUs, lot size, child lot size. Ignore child lot size, you don't really need it. Okay. So parent SKU is actually going to be the SKU of the newly created bundle. So let's look at this as an example. This product here. Okay, this solar mosaic glass color changing LED light. I'm selling this on eBay by itself. Now I also want to sell this as a pack of 2. So how do I do that? So first I copy the SKU of the single product and I make that the child SKU. Okay, and then I create a parent SKU for it. So usually what I do is I just take the child SKU, put a dash, and then type in the lot size, right? The pack of. So if it's a pack of 3, I'm going to type in 3. If it's a pack of 2, I'm going to type it in 2. In this case, it's a pack of 2, so I'm going to type in dash 2. You don't have to, again, this is just a convention that I use. You can use any other convention that you want to name your SKUs. If you leave this blank, SellerChamp will actually generate a random SKU for you. So don't feel like you have to put in something there. It's just a good idea to sort of make it the same as the child SKU, just so that you can visually connect the dots and quickly recognize that, oh, this is a pack of 2. And then I'll type in the name, the size of the lot. So in this case happens to be a lot of 2, so I'm going to type in 2. Okay. Now let's say the same product, I also want to sell it as a pack of 5. So then I'll just copy this, paste it on the second row, take that SKU, take that SKU, paste it down here and make it a 5. Okay, and here I'll type in 5. So now I am going to be creating 2 bundles for this product. One is a pack of 2, the other is a pack of 5. Okay, now let's say I also want to sell this, okay, as a kit. So I'm going to take something else. Let's just do a quick search here and just randomly pick something. Okay, so I want to take this water bottle, right? And I wanna create a kit out of that where I want to offer the LED light and the water bottle together as a single offering. So I'm going to take that SKU, right, for the water bottle. I'm going to go to my third row. I'm going to copy that, right, because that's the first product, and then I'm going to take the SKU for the solar light panel, copy that, and then I'm going to put a comma next to it and include that, because I'm including 2 items here, right? I'm creating a new offering that's made up of 2 items, so I'm putting a comma between them and including those SKUs. If I was offering this as 5 different items, then of course I'd have 5 different SKUs, comma separating each of them. And then I just make up my bundle SKU, right, my kit SKU. So again, I can keep it empty or I can pick one. So let's just pick one, right? So here it can just be something random, or I can just type in solar plus solar underscore water bottle bundle kit, right? So that's my SKU. Okay, again, I don't have to specify one, I just did it as an example for you. Okay, in this case, this is not a lot, right? I'm not offering this as a lot, I'm just offering this as a bundle. I'm sorry, offering this as a kit. Okay, so when I upload this file, I'll get 3 different listings, right? One is going to be a bundle of 2 for that solar powered light. The other is a bundle of 5, and finally I've got a kit here that's made up of the solar light followed by the water bottle. All right, so I'm going to save this file, go back into SellerChamp, more actions, upload bundles, choose file, select my file. Where is it? There it is. Okay, select the marketplace account where this is being created. So that's my eBay account. So I'm going to select my eBay account and then hit upload. All right. Now, the nice thing about doing this through a file versus individually is, of course, you can create lots and lots of bundles. Okay. So now that bundle is being created, some things I want to point out to you is that the quantities for these bundles and these kits will be controlled by the children, by the child. So, for example, let me copy this and show you what I mean. So let's just do a quick search here. All right. Now, the quantity for the bundle will be controlled off the quantity of the child. So if this is 10, that means that this bundle of 2 will be 5. Okay, because I only have 10 of these single parts available, which means I cannot have more than 5 lots. So more than 5 quantities for lots of 2, and for the lot of 5, there's only going to be 2 available because quantities again is 10. So the quantity for the bundles are controlled off the child. If I make this 50, then this will automatically go up. The quantities for these bundles will automatically go up. Okay. Same thing with the kit. It will take the minimum quantity of the 2 and make that the kit quantity. All right. So that's how that works. And then let me just quickly show you the lots now. So here, as you can see, I've got my child, right, which is a quantity of 10, right, and it says bundle next to it. So that's helpful, telling you that, hey, by the way, this product is bundled into some other products. If I click the bundle button, it'll tell me where it's bundled. So there it is, right? The solar bottle kit has this product. Okay, and then finally, let's check out our lot. So this is a lot of 5. So if I click on it, it'll tell me what's this made up of, right? So made up of this. And then it's also telling me that, by the way, there's only 2 available here. And notice I cannot change the quantity. Here, if I mouse over, I can change the quantity for the part, for the single. For the lot, I cannot, because it's controlled by the child. So I have 2 available, which makes sense because I have 10 of these. And then a lot of 2, finally, we've got a quantity of 5. Again, I can't change the quantity. I only manage it at the single product level. Okay. So the nice thing is you could have a lot of lots. You could have a ton of lots and a ton of bundles and kits and all kinds of combinations. And you don't have to worry about quantity matching or syncing your quantities and keeping all that straight. You just have to worry, you just have to type in how many you have of each specific product, and SellerChamp will do the rest. Okay. Hope that was helpful. Any questions on bundles and kits? They can be confusing. So any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Hit the chat icon on the bottom right, send us a message. We can jump on a help session, walk you through creating your first sets of bundles and kits. And that should hopefully answer all your questions and get you going. Thanks.